Welcome Echelon family! Today I will show you the functions and modes of the Echelon dual adjustable pulley featuring digital resistance. You have the option to use the left cable, right cable, or both cables during your workout. Select which cable you'd like, then you may either sign up, log in, or select Quick Start on the commercial login screen. You must sign the acceptance before starting. You will then be brought to training settings. Right now we are in standard mode. Here you can adjust the weight by sliding the bar or tapping the plus and minus arrows. You can also adjust by pounds or kilos. Choose your desired unit of measurement. One of the unique features of the digital resistance on the digital dual adjustable pulley is the ability to set your incremental resistance change to either increase or decrease by the chosen resistance by the chosen number of reps. For example, if we start at 6 pounds, we can set the resistance to increase by 4 pounds every 2 reps. You can also do the opposite and start with heavy weight. We can start at 26 pounds and set the machine to decrease by 4 pounds every 2 reps. 26 pounds is the first rep, which decreases to 22 pounds the second rep, and so on and so forth. This allows you to do a descending set to failure or an ascending set to failure. As you continue an exercise, you will see several stats on screen, such as time under tension, duration, total volume, calories, and reps. Next, let's move on to eccentric mode. This is the negative portion of a movement where hypertrophy takes place. We have the initial resistance set at 20. Down here, you can adjust your ratio, 50% greater than 20 pounds on eccentric, 40% greater at 0.6, 30% greater at 0.7. Digital resistance engages. This is an electromagnetic servo motor that provides the resistance. With each rep pull, you can feel the increase on the negative. In isokinetic mode, we will focus on strength and on power. The faster we move, the more resistance we are going to encounter. This is set to keep us at 0.1 meters per second resistance. We will tap start training and you will feel the resistance significantly. If you try to move quickly, it becomes very intense. For overall muscle endurance, elastic mode is very effective. In elastic mode, resistance levels are from 0 to 25. As you progress through the range of motion on any movement, the more you move through the range of motion, the more resistance you will encounter. It's similar to training with resistance bands combined with barbells during a squat, bench press, or deadlift. As we move through the range of motion, and one has more of a mechanical advantage for a particular movement, the more resistance you will encounter at that time. If you have any questions on how to use the Echelon dual adjustable pulley, feel free to reach out to us at any time.